Hey, are you looking for a way to invest in Baltimore's real estate market but don't know where to start? The BRRR strategy. It's a proven method for building wealth and creating passive income. In this video, I'll explain how it works, show you how you can use it to invest in Baltimore's real estate market. You never know, you might be the next Grant Cardone here. Hello and welcome to our video on the BRRR strategy for investing in Baltimore's real estate market. As a Baltimore City realtor and general contractor, I've seen firsthand the power of this strategy for building wealth and creating passive income. I'm an investor myself. The BRRR strategy stands for buy, rehab, rent, refinance. It's a simple process that allows investors to purchase a property, fix it up, rent it out, and then refinance the property to pull the cash out to invest in more properties and keep that cycle going. The first step in the BRRR strategy is to find a property that's undervalued and need of repairs. So this could be a fixer-upper or a property that needs some work, but the key is to find a property that has potential for appreciation or cash flow. Once you've found that property, it's important to work with a team of professionals. That's including a real estate agent like myself, someone with local knowledge, and also a home inspector, a closing attorney, which is basically a title company. And these professionals together will help guide you through the purchase process and ensure that the transaction goes smoothly. Next, it's time to rehab the property. This could involve making repairs, updating the finishes, or even adding an addition. But the key here is the goal is to increase the property's value and make it more attractive to renters. Because once the property's rehabbed, it's time to rent it out. So this will provide a steady stream of income, and that's the cash flow that can help cover the mortgage and other expenses. Finally, it's time to refinance the property, and this is where it will allow you to pull that cash out and invest in more properties, thus repeating that process. The BRRRR strategy is a proven method for building wealth and creating passive income. By following these steps and working with a team of professionals, you can increase your chances of success. Thank you for watching. I hope you had some value. If you have any questions or would like more information on the BRRRR strategy or just general investing in Baltimore's real estate market, please feel free to reach out to me. My contact info is in the description. Also, like and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. It helps my channel immensely. Thank you.